could just respect me on my granddaughter's birthday. So I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. I want you to make me a cocktail he can't refuse.
I'm in a little trouble this week. I forgot to pay some dues to some, let's call them venture capitalists. But now they're coming to collect, and I just might need a shot to clear my head. A man who never spends time with his family can never be a real man. This week, I am thankful for good advice. I don't know where I'm gonna be this Thanksgiving. Hopefully I'll still be here. Anyways, if you have guests coming over to your house this Thanksgiving, invited or not, mix them the Godfather. Hopefully, it's enough to pay off the ferryman. 1/2 ounce of amaretto. 1.5 ounces of scotch, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Revenge is a shot best served cold. How did things get this far? That's the Godfather. Today's word of wisdom is business, also known as beeswax. I am not asking you about yours. You know why? Because it's none of mine. I'm polite that way. But these days, people are taking their noses out of their own combs of beeswax and sticking it up others. Not only is this unsanitary, it's a lack of manners and a lack of respect. I only have one favor to ask of you. Don't ever ask me about my business. All right, hammer it.
No. These are the biggest shot glasses I've ever seen.
Hammer it.
You have to drink the whole thing.
Hammer it.
Oh, God, Lord.
Did it not taste like a hamburger?
Tastes like a hamburger. Where's the restroom?